All right, let's look at the homework 1.4, problem number 6. All right, so f of x is given to be x squared plus 8, and g of x is given to be square root of 4 minus x. All right, so f of x plus g of x is just the sum of those two. So you have x squared plus 8, and then you just have to add the square root of 4 minus x. All right. And the subtraction works the same way, so you just have x squared plus 8, but you have to subtract square root of 4 minus x. All right, multiplication is just to multiply them together, so you have x squared plus 8, and then times square root of 4 minus x. Right, division, it's going to be x squared and plus 8. Then I'm going to divide by square root of 4 minus x, right? And here, this is a composition. So we take g of x and plug it into the f of x, right? So you can see that here. G of x is square root of 4 minus x, and plug it into x squared plus 8. So replacing x by square root of 4 minus x. So you're going to get, it's going to be 4 square root of 4 minus x, right? Then we have to square this guy, right? Square this guy. And then we're going to have to add 8 to it. Oh, actually, this might not be a good place here. Right? Plus 8. Right? The other one is going to be, we plug this guy in here. So you have here, square root of, right? It's going to be 4 minus, right, quantity, x squared and plus 8. Right? What we can do is we can actually try to simplify this. You have distribute the negative sign to x squared, so you have a negative x squared. And then 8 becomes minus 8. And then combine with plus 4, so it's going to be negative 4, just combining those together. All right. Then we realize that square root of negative x squared minus 4 does not exist or is not defined, since negative x squared minus 4 is always negative. So in this case, this one, you have to write, let's see, undefined, right? So you have to say undefined, right? All right, and here, I think we can actually do a little bit more. And here, if it's a square and a square root, so we can cancel those out, right? So you can cancel those out. And then what you get is really, here, is we can combine 4 and 8 together. So that will be 12 minus x. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got part A, B, C, D, E, F, all parts correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.